Upgrade your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 with these compatible accessories. Main brush V-shaped design. Gather dust and sweep easily. Nylon brushes. Abrasion-resistant material, deep into the floor crevices to remove dust. Rubber brush strip. Soft texture, gently scrapes out stains. Side brush. It is made of ABS plastic and has good toughness, can pass through the carpet smoothly. Hepa filter. The filter quickly traps contaminants, preventing bacteria and viruses from growing further on the filter. Mop. This mop pad is made of microfiber. It is very well made, has excellent absorbency. Dust bag. This dust bag is made of non-woven fabric, which does not leak dust and has a strong seal. Enhance performance and versatility. Get yours today.